These are the stupidly expensive things that football players own. And when you talk about expensive purchases, you cannot forget Neymar Jr. So back in 2019, when Neymar joined Barcelona, he saw Lionel Messi pull up in crazy supercars. So when Neymar got his first paycheck with Barcelona, he not only bought one supercar, but two of them. A $200,000 Ferrari 458 Spider and a Maserati MC12S, which costed him $810,000. And there's only 50 of those made on the entire planet. Moving on to Antoine Griezmann, he did not spend his money on buying a supercar. Instead, he bought one of the coolest and rarest watches in the entire world, a Rolex Rainbow Daytona. This masterpiece consists of 36 piguet cut rainbow sapphire bezel and 56 brilliant diamond cut watch, and this costed him $500,000. But what Erling Haaland did shocked his entire team. So back in 2022, when Erling Haaland was leaving Dortmund to make a dream transfer to Man City, he didn't want to leave his squad empty-handed. This guy literally bought them $500,000 worth of gifts. And not only did he get $15,000 custom-made Rolexes for all of his teammates, he also bought all of Dortmund club staff custom Omega watches, which costed him $7,000 a piece. But when you talk about Cristiano Ronaldo, this guy literally takes this to another level. I mean literally to another level. This guy literally spent $32 million on a masterpiece, the Gulfstream G200, which can go to 560 miles per hour and it can fit 10 passengers. Ronaldo's plane even comes with a Wi-Fi, an oven, a microwave and speakers to listen to music. Now when we move up to Gareth Bale, he did something that will surprise you. While mastering his football skills, he's also been mastering his golf skills, and he loved golf so much that he got the land around his house completely revamped with replicas of those iconic golf courses in the entire world. And this costed him $2 million.